Alright, as you see in front of me, I have a few different varieties of different options to make charred materials. Just cotton cloth. Another option they have besides this is your jeans, and then if you have a 100% cotton t-shirt, cotton bandana, punkwood, lampwick, cattail, and then just more different types of fabric that I'm kind of experimenting with. Alright, as you can see, I just put all the ingredients in here in the char tin, and next I'm going to stick it in the fire, make some char cloth. You might be able to see right in the middle right there, it kind of looks like a candle, and it's flames coming out of the tin. If that happens, don't panic. It's just the fumes that are burning off that are from inside the tin. That's completely normal. Where the hole is, there's no more flame coming out of that. At this point, you're probably okay to take it out, but the nice thing about making charred materials is you can't overchar it. You can keep it in there for a long period of time and it'll still be okay. Last piece of the puzzle, I should say, is to get it out of the fire without burning yourself. And where that hole is, you just stick something on it to cover the hole. And this is kind of to show you how hot this is. Alright, so it's finally cooled down enough that I can hold it in my hand. So as you can see, there's not much left. That's one of the things to keep in mind when you're making charred materials, is you want to have big pieces because they are going to shrink. Alright, as you can see, there's my selection. This is just lampwick. This is that little itty bitty small pieces that I used. And then this is the big piece that I used. This right here is cattail, and then punkwood. This is that lampwick I was telling you about. This one's sometimes kind of hard to see if it's smoldering. Best thing to do is blow into it. Well, you have it, guys. Bushcraft Syllabus bringing another video. I hope you had value out of this one with the char cloth and charred materials. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And then one last favor, if you could do for me, would be in the comments down below, please let me know what other charred materials you've personally used. That way everybody can learn from what you've done also. Thanks again for watching. Take care.